please come in and enjoy this wonderful and elegant apartment that we're gonna introduce you today. As you come in the apartment, the first thing you can see is this kind of big wardrobes here that you can use for different kind of things. It's beautiful and very useful, and it has this kind of mirrors that makes it really nice, this part here when you come in. And as you come into the living room area. This is a really fantastic space where you can really enjoy it, your dining, your meals, and everything you like to have in this beautiful property. And here we are in the kitchen, as you can see, one of the most important parts as well of the property. We're talking about a completely renovated kitchen as all the property, as we told before, and with this beautiful island here where you can enjoy your breakfast and your meals with the family or friends, and the most important thing, a lot of space that you can use for wherever you want, a lot of wardrobes and things. And then here we have this kind of mirrors that will help you to enjoy it as well in a wonderful space. I hope you have enjoyed this nice tour that we made today here in Malaga and in this beautiful and elegant apartment. If you have any other questions or if you would like to have a viewing, please contact us.